Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Pawar working as Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the quadrature phase shift key denoted by QPSK. The modulation techniques that we are discuss ASK and BPSK are two level modulation because they can represent only two states of digital data, that is 0 and 1. Therefore, the bitrate and baud rate are same for these systems. The maximum bitrate which can be achieved by using ASK, BFSK, BPSK systems does not meet the requirements of data communication systems. This happens due to limited bandwidth of telephone voice channel. In this type of systems, the data groups are divided into groups of two or more bits, and each group of bits is represented by specific value of amplitude, frequency, or phase of carrier. The quadrature phase shift keying denoted by QPSK is a variation of BPSK, and it is also a double sideband suppressed carrier, that is DSBSC modulation scheme, which sends bits two bits of digital information at a time, called as digits. Instead of conversion of digital bits into a series of digital stream, it converts them into bit pairs. This decreases the data bit rate to half, which allows the space for other ASK and Bayer users. This is a phase shift keying technique in which the sine wave carriers takes four phase reversals such as 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. If this kind of techniques are further extended, PSK can be done by 8 or 16 values also, depending upon the requirement. QPSK modulator. The QPSK modulator uses a bit splitter, two multipliers with local oscillator, a 2-bit serial to parallel converter and summer circuit. At the modulator's input, the message signals even bits, that is second bit, fourth bit, sixth bit and so on, and odd bit, that is first bit, third bit, fifth bit, seventh bit and so on, are separated by the bit splitter and are multiplied with the same carrier to generate odd BPSK called as PSK1 and even BPSK called as PSKQ. The PSKQ signal is anyhow phase shifted by 90 degree before being modulated. The QPSK waveform for two bits input, which is shown in the output waveform for different instances of binary inputs. QPSK demodulator. The QPSK demodulator uses two product demodulator circuits with local oscillator, two band pass filters, two integrator circuits and 2-bit parallel to serial converter. The two product detectors at the input of demodulator simultaneously demodulate the two BPSK signals. The pair of the pair of bits are recovered here from the original data. These signals are these signals after processing are passed through the parallel to serial converter to obtain the original data at the QPSK demodulator output. Finally, with the help of QPSK demodulator, we obtain the original transmitted signal. Thank you.